we're the only musical instrument making course in the Republic. Having no background in woodwork is not at all any sort of an impediment to doing well on the course. Generally speaking, they're musicians, but it's not an absolute requirement. At the beginning of the year, we look at plans, and we also look at how they can make the instrument their own, from first principles, starting simply with the raw material. We provide all of the materials on the course. The students make guitars, mandolins, electric guitars, bass guitars, bouzouki, banjos, all sorts. I've seen them develop over the year and have a great feeling of achievement at the end of it when it comes to the end of year exhibition and the instruments, the finished instruments are displayed.